Hello, judges. We are student developers from Malaysia. Today, we will be presenting our project, Spacey, a special timetable tailored for students who study many heavy content subjects at once. Now, imagine you're a student who is struggling with many subjects and extracurriculums. You constantly create timetable to make yourself organized, but it seems like it's not working. You are still constantly feeling overwhelmed with bad grades and responsibilities. Why didn't it work? The conventional timetable requires us to look into the future and work out the topics that we want to study. This can be quite unrealistic. Sometimes we might have unexpected events or emergencies that can interrupt our schedule. Also, conventional timetables encourage us to think of revision as a function of time rather than time. It doesn't really matter how we fill up our time. What matters is the understanding. Next, we need to also create a whole new timetable, which can be a big hassle. Introducing Spacey, our target users are university and high school students because they have trouble studying many subjects. How does it work? First, you select your study plan, then you proceed to rank your subtopic based on your confidence. Consequently, you will get a study plan with subjects that are properly spaced. Lastly, the software allows us to receive notification for revision and contain gamification streak counts to increase the desire for learning. Demo time, right? So we have our schedule, right? We have login, all right? So let's go and show schedule. And I want to study, I'm currently an A-level student, all right? So go ahead. All right, let's go with physics, my favorite subject. Okay, mechanics, I did dislike projectile. So let's go with this. I think I did pretty well in my quantum physics. So let's go with this. All right. And now thermodynamics, I think I'm quite okay, but let's just revise more often. Submit. There you go. We've got our percentage here. All right. So let's say if I want to study classical mechanics, right? So I'll just finish it and I'll just click done, right? Oh, so it will remind me to study classical mechanics after 2 days. Then let's say I want to study quantum physics, I want to master it, right? I want to get to 100%. So let's just press this. Oh, there you go. Then let's say I want to do thermodynamics, then press this, done. So this is 28. So this is my schedule on the 28th of May. So I'll just study my classical mechanics again. It's getting better, right? So this is the whole schedule, right? So let's say I want to go ahead and go back to my schedule, my syllabus. All right, A-level. I want to study other subjects, for example, math, right? I think it's pretty related to physics. Oh, calculus, my favorite, differentiation, and algebra and number theories. I dislike it, right? And let's go with probability and stats. I think it's quite easy, right? Just apply them, submit. There you go. We've added our list again. All right. So let's say I want to customize a little bit. So we'll go to add, subtopic. So let's say it's not part of A-level, but I want to do other things, right? I want to study something more interesting. For example, web programming, right? I want to study web programming. All right. How confident am I? I'm pretty bad at it, all right? I can't center a div well. Let's go with submit. Oh, there you go. Right. Gonna study web programming a little bit. So that is the whole concept of our project, right? Let's go back and slideshow. Okay, so here are the key benefits, right? We emphasizes studying topics that are less familiar and more challenging. Hence, it encourages deeper learning. And second, our software encourages a mix of topics in each study session, which prevent burnout from focusing too long on a single subject. Lastly, we get to use science-backed study techniques like active recall, spaced repetition in our software to increase our memory retention. All right, let's go to our business model. So our business model will be based on advertising initially. and hopefully we can get to fixed subscription if there's a huge demand for our solution. Thank you, and please go ahead and connect us on LinkedIn. My name is Dunyan, and that's my teammate Wei Jie, right?
Thanks for watching.